Thanks for your patience. Just trying to get off. All right. So on the quiz were the triangle exterior angles, were kind of the questions that consistently saw some mistakes being made. So we'll look at number 16 and 17. So 16 and 17, looking at when a triangle has an exterior angle and then how that relates to its remote interior angles. So before we get started, let's just draw a picture of what's happening. So I like to see a little visual. So we've got a triangle with an angle outside of it. So if we extend one of the sides, we're going to get this exterior angle that's going to extend outside of this interior angle. Now on the other side of the triangle, you have your remote interior angles. So we'll put angle 2 and angle 3. Now as we start to look at measurements, this is not going to be to scale, but we'll just use this as kind of a diagram to help us out. Now the theorem that happens is, since there's 180 degrees in a triangle, and since angle 1 makes 180 degrees with this angle as well, so there's 180 degrees, so these three add up to 180. Angle 1 and this angle also add up to 180. That means that these two angles added together are exactly equal to the exterior angle. So the theorem that we use is going to be measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. So the remote interior angles 2 and 3 are going to always add up to that exterior angle. Then we're just going to fill in the information we have. So if we look at number 16, it says that 2 is 37 degrees and then 3 is 99 degrees. We got to find the missing one, which is angle 1. Well, if 2 is 37, that's a remote interior. 3 is 99, that's a remote interior. These two remote interiors are going to add up to angle 1. So I'm going to say that the measure of angle 1 is going to equal 37 plus 99, which is 136. So measure of angle 1 is going to be 136 degrees. Since the triangle's got 180 degrees, then that angle 1, it makes 180 with that same angle, then those two angles have to add up to angle 1. Number 17, we've got the measure of angle 1 is 98. So outside of my triangle, that exterior angle is going to be 98 over here. Then inside, I know measure of angle 2 is 55. Then we want to find out what is the measure of angle 3 up here. Well, now I still have the same theorem. 3 and 2, these two are going to add up to 98. I'm kind of looking at this situation. I'm looking at 98 is going to equal the measure of angle 3 plus 55. So 55 plus something is equal 98. What can I do to figure out what that missing piece is? Subtract them. So I'm going to get the measure of angle 3 is equal to 43 degrees. So there would be my missing piece. And that's what I need to have to get the two remote interiors to then add up to that exterior angle of 98 degrees. So looking back at our quizzes,